Feeling like your kid doesn't notice you and or your loved one has lost interest in you, spending hours on social media? Don't worry, I've got you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to monitor their iPhone to find out what interesting stuff is hidden there. And more importantly, how to do this without jailbreaking. But before we start, like this video, subscribe and click on the bell icon to be the first to see our new videos. If you have any questions after watching the video, just leave them in the comments, we'll be happy to answer. mSpy is a perfect tool that offers many ways to monitor iPhones. The first method is through their iCloud account. If you know their credentials, this method is perfect for you. Just log into your mSpy account using the credentials sent to your email. Now enter your loved one's iCloud login details. mSpy will then send a 6-digit code for 2FA confirmation on their iPhone. Enter this code into the mSpy account to link their device. Once it's done, you can start viewing their contacts, photos, calendar plans, and more. Monitoring through Wi-Fi is another way to peek into what's stored on their iPhone. Let's see how it works. After you complete the mSpy app purchase, you'll need to install an additional app included in your subscription. To set up the app, you need to 1. Install the app on your Mac or PC. 2. Connect the target iPhone to your Mac or PC via the USB cable. 3. Let the app get the info from the iPhone via Wi-Fi. 4. Disconnect the iPhone to start monitoring. Once you do, you'll be able to receive the data from their phone every time they are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. That includes call logs, photos, videos, contacts, notes, WhatsApp, Line, and Viber messages, and other cool features. As you can see, Wi-Fi Sync offers more features than the iCloud one, but you can get even more with mSpy's jailbreak option. Things like their exact location, setting safe and dangerous zones on the map and getting alerts as soon as they cross them. These are all available for a jailbroken iPhone. To learn more about these features and other cool features, visit our website mspy.com. Guessing doesn't work, mSpy does.